This video introduces us to the plant life and main crops in the territory of Pesco Sannita. Pesco Sannita lies in the Preforte geographical area, since its municipal territory extends to the mountain area of Forte northeast of Benevento. Thanks to its mild climate and hilly environment, the town has extensive olive tree groves that are important both as a source of income and for their landscape value. Among the varieties of olive trees cultivated locally, the Licino and Ortis stand out, the latter being Autochthonas de Sanio. Motivated by a love for nature and pride in bringing a genuine product to the market, our farmers use natural methods to fertilize these plants. This local resource is celebrated every year in the Festival of New Oil and Pesco farming tradition, an event which, besides promoting typical local products, also seeks to draw attention to the Sanio area as a whole. The food-growing sector also boasts a winemaking tradition handed down from one generation to the next. As exemplified by this historic vineyard of 1930. The most often used varieties of red grapes are Aglianico Grosso, also known as Aglianico, an Autochthonas Sanio grape, and Pidi Rosso, also Autochthonas, locally known as Pidi Paloma, pigeon's foot, because the grape stalk is remindful of a pigeon's foot in shape and color. Grape growing is favored by the excellent southern exposure of some of the town's rural areas. Among white grapes, the most common is Moscato Nostrano, also known as Muscataglio, followed by Falangina, Greco and Fiano. The plant species found over the area are of special naturalistic and landscape interest. In the woods are centenarian oaks of high environmental and historical value. These are found not only in coppices, but also as isolated specimens on farm fields. Other arboreal species include Turkish oak, downy oak, elm, hornbeam, and spontaneously growing walnut trees, whose still green fruit is used to make a famous and popular liquor, the Licino, or Nicilo, Campano. At the edges of farm roads one finds specimens of shrub species such as blackthorn, bramble and terebinth. The fig tree is a typical Mediterranean plant. The species locally known as Matralace bears fruit from September until Christmas. The underbrush is also rich in life. Investigations by the Università degli Studi del Sanio have revealed the presence of two species of truffle, T. borkii and T. aestivum.